The Congress government in Karnataka is promoting startups and innovation across the state. To power this, the local economic accelerator program is being launched with a rupees 1,000 crore investment and rupees 200 crore already allocated this year. This will create 5 lakh new jobs. The impact is visible. In Kalaburagi, more than 120 startups are active, and the aim is to build 500 startups by 2030, giving local talent opportunities at home. To back this up, multi-skill development centers are coming up in Talakal, Koppal and Kalaburagi, each at a cost of rupees 120 crore in partnership with VTU. A new center at Gulbarga University will also train 2,500 youth every year with job-oriented courses and residential facilities. This is Congress in action, delivering jobs, skills and prosperity for Karnataka.